A VA loan is a government-backed mortgage program that offers veterans, active service members, and their families a way to purchase homes with little or no money down. While VA loans themselves are not a direct method for making money, they can help you build wealth in the following ways. Buy a home with no down payment. One of the major benefits of a VA loan is the ability to purchase a home with no down payment. This allows you to save money upfront, making home ownership more affordable. Rent out the property. If you're purchasing a home with a VA loan and don't need to live in it immediately, you can rent out the property to generate passive income. This is a common strategy for real estate investors. Refinancing for better terms. If you already own a home, a VA loan allows you to refinance at a lower interest rate through the VA Interest Rate Reduction Refinance Loan, reducing your monthly mortgage payment, freeing up money for other investments. Build equity. By paying down the mortgage and increasing the value of the property, you can build equity over time. When you sell, you can make a profit.